plastic that we use is all recyclable. Much of the environmental problem with plastic is directly due to the improper management of individual waste and people just not recycling. The plastics industry is really striving to conquer their image problem. Most people look at plastic as a problem when it really is a solution. If people would take seriously the recycling efforts and recycle all their plastics, the plastic waste issue would go away. Plastic is lighter than metal or glass and reduces carbon emissions from material transportation. Plastic is also easier to recycle. So it really is not a problem. It's really a solution. People need to really see it that way.